The world of desktop 3D printing is accelerating, leaving the era of slow, finicky machines in the dust. What if your next 3D printer felt less like a hobbyist project and more like a personal micro-factory, a tool that's fast, quiet, and genuinely smart? The technology has matured. Core XY kinematics are now standard for speed. AI is no longer a gimmick but a guardian of print quality, and material science has unlocked stronger, more versatile filaments. We're moving beyond the entry-level printers that got us started. From Core XY speed demons to multicolor beasts and carbon fiber champs, we're counting down the next-gen machines that serious hobbyists and prosumers are upgrading to in 2026. This isn't just a list. It's a strategic guide to help you choose the right tool for your specific ambition. So stay to the end. Our number one pick blends a massive build volume with dual AI cameras and near-silent operation, redefining what a desktop machine can be. Let's roll. We have 4 distinct picks for you today, each engineered with a clear purpose in mind. Whether you need raw speed, automated multicolor printing, robust carbon fiber capability, or sheer size combined with quiet performance, we'll break down who each machine is for so you can make an informed decision. Just a quick note before we dive in, we're focusing on the technology, so we'll avoid showing prominent logos. All the links to these printers are in the description below, and remember that prices and discounts are subject to change. Alright, serious hobbyists, engineers, and creators, sharpen up. Here's what's actually worth your valuable bench space in 2026. Kicking off our list at number 4 is the Creality K1 SE. This is the speedy entry pick for makers who demand the blistering pace of Core XY kinematics without sacrificing the quality of their prints. It's the perfect first step into high-speed printing. The spec sheet is impressive. It can hit a top speed of 600 mm per second with a staggering 20,000 mm/s2 acceleration. That performance is held steady by a rigid, unibody, die-cast aluminum frame, complete with gussets and crossbeams to minimize vibration and ensure stability even at its limits. At the heart of the toolhead is the flagship direct extruder, which uses a side spring and ball plunger for a firm, consistent grip on the filament. This design is especially effective with tricky flexible materials like TPU. Plus, a filament runout sensor is standard, giving you peace of mind by automatically pausing long jobs if you run out of material. It features a quick swap tri-metal nozzle, a clever combination of a steel tip for durability, a copper body for excellent heat conduction, and a titanium alloy heat break to prevent heat creep. This is all backed by a powerful 60-watt hot end and a ceramic heater that can reach 300 degrees Celsius in about 75 seconds, ready for a wide range of filaments. The user experience is streamlined with one-tap auto-calibration. This single action handles bed leveling and Z offset, using an array of strain sensors for a perfect first layer. It also runs input shaping tests, using an anti-vibration fan to counteract resonance and deliver clean corners and smooth surfaces, even at high speeds. For setup, it arrives almost entirely pre-assembled with a simple boot-up guide, getting you from box to first print in under 30 minutes. It runs Creality OS, which is built on a Clipper base and connects seamlessly to Creality Cloud for remote control, print monitoring, and automatic time-lapse generation. In terms of real-world use, this machine is ideal for rapid prototyping, producing functional parts in PLA or PETG, and experimenting with flexible TPU prints. So, let's talk pros and cons. The pros are its blazing speed with genuine stability, the truly smart auto-calibration, and the versatile quick-swap nozzle. The cons? Its ecosystem is smaller than flagship models, meaning fewer official mods, and while it's enclosed, you may need to add better sealing or ventilation for consistent results with high-temperature exotic filaments like ABS or ASA. The bottom line, for its price, the K1 SE is the best and fastest way to get into high-performance Core XY printing. It's a fantastic upgrade for anyone feeling limited by a slower, older machine. Coming in at number 3 is the Creality K2 Pro Combo A. If your work demands complex, multi-material, or multicolor prints and you value automation above all else, this is the integrated system you've been waiting for. The headline feature is its ability to print with up to 16 different colors or materials. This is achieved by linking up to 4 CFS, or Color Filament System, units. The system's precision is elevated by the use of closed-loop servo motors on the X and Y axes, plus the extruder. This ensures repeatable accuracy at the same top-tier speeds of 600 mm/s and 20,000 s2 acceleration. This printer is also equipped with a pair of vigilant AI cameras. One provides a wide view of the chamber, watching for spaghetti-like failures or print detachment, while the other is fixed on the nozzle, actively monitoring for blobs and optimizing flow. And of course, they work together to record crisp, shareable time lapses of your creations. To sustain that speed with consistent extrusion, it boasts a 40 cubic millimeters per second high-flow hot end. The hardened steel nozzle tip can handle abrasive filaments and reaches 300 degrees Celsius, while the heated bed can get up to 110 degrees. This all happens within a generous 300 by 300 by 300 millimeter build volume, making it perfect for ambitious projects. Use cases here are advanced. Think architectural models with different colors for different features, or functional engineering parts that combine rigid and flexible materials in one print. Getting the first layer right is critical, and the K2 Pro automates this completely. It uses auto anti-tilt leveling with dual Z-axis motors and strain gauge compensation to create a perfect mesh map of the bed. This means no more manual adjustments, no shims, and no guesswork. The heavy matrix frame, reinforced with dual linear Z-axis rods, ensures that even tall prints remain dimensionally accurate and free from wobble. For those marathon multi-material jobs, automated filament sensing and cutting mechanisms manage the entire process, protecting your print from start to finish. The pros are undeniable: truly automated and reliable multicolor printing, a smart AI camera system that actually prevents failures, and serious, servo-driven motion control. On the con side, the CFS units, which are the heart of the system, add significant cost and complexity, which might be overkill for newcomers or those who only print in a single color. But if you want a hands-off, turnkey solution for producing complex, beautiful multicolor parts at high speed, the K2 Pro Combo A is the most direct path to achieving it. At number 2, we have the Creality K1C. Think of this as the rugged, carbon fiber-capable workhorse of the lineup. It combines the raw speed of Core XY with the reliability and automation needed to handle tough, engineering-grade materials. It shares the same impressive Core XY motion system, capable of 600 mm speeds and 20,000 mm/2 acceleration. But here, the focus is on reliability under load. It features a robust direct drive extruder with a bolster spring and ball plunger, a design specifically engineered to provide a powerful grip and resist clogs, especially with less forgiving filaments. The key upgrade for material compatibility is the integrated tri-metal unicorn nozzle. It has a hardened steel tip designed to withstand abrasive, fiber-filled filaments. Like its siblings, it's a quick swap unit and is paired with a 300 degrees Celsius hot end, making it ready for business right out of the box. Automation is still a core feature. You get the same hands-free auto-calibration for leveling and Z-offset, and dynamically balanced fans for input shaping to reduce ringing. The built-in AI camera comes standard, handling spaghetti detection, foreign object alerts, and automatic time-lapse recording. The fully enclosed chamber is crucial here, as it maintains a stable, warm environment essential for printing materials like ABS and ASA. It also includes an activated carbon filter to scrub fumes, making it safer for an office or workshop. This machine officially supports filaments like PLA-CF, PACF, and PTCF. For quieter operation, an optional silent mode keeps noise levels at or below a pleasant 45 decibels. This makes it perfect for printing strong, lightweight parts like custom brackets, drone frames, or automotive components. So, the pros: reliable Core XY speed, out-of-the-box carbon fiber readiness, and a strong automation stack including the AI camera. The cons are a smaller build volume compared to flagship models, and while the enclosure is good, its passive heating still limits success with some of the more demanding high-temperature nylons that are prone to warping. For makers, engineers, and hobbyists who value dependable performance and want to produce functional parts with tougher, fiber-reinforced materials, the K1C is the most balanced and reliable daily driver in this price range. As a reminder, the price and discount shown are subject to change. You can find the most current information via the link in the description. And our number 1 pick for 2026 is the Creality K2 Plus. This machine is the culmination of all the technologies we've discussed, packaged into a large, quiet, and deeply automated Core XY printer that feels less like a desktop appliance and more like a professional fabrication shop on your desk. It offers a massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, allowing you to print large single-piece models or batch-produce smaller parts efficiently. It achieves this at an incredible top speed of 600 mm with an even higher 30,000 mm/s2 acceleration. Yet thanks to its robust build and advanced motor control, it can operate at a whisper-quiet 45 decibels in its silent mode. It incorporates the same powerful dual AI camera system as the K2 Pro. One camera in the chamber watches for print failures, while a second, mounted directly on the tool head, provides a nozzle-level view for live flow tuning and precise defect detection. Together they create stunning time lapses and provide a safety net for your most ambitious prints. The automation here is next level. It features full auto bed leveling and, crucially, automatic belt tension sensing, which alerts you when the belts need adjustment to maintain peak performance. A network of 18 smart sensors monitors everything from filament flow to door status, adding layers of safety and repeatability to every job. Like the others, it's pre-assembled and runs a comprehensive series of self-tests on startup to ensure everything is dialed in. It's also ready for multicolor and multi-material printing via the optional CFS units. Note that the CFS is not included with the base model. This machine is for those who think big, printing full-size cosplay helmets, large-scale architectural mock-ups, or batching out products for a small business. The pros are clear: a huge build volume, exceptionally quiet operation for its size, and the most deeply automated and sensor-rich experience in the lineup. The cons: to unlock its full multicolor potential, you'll need to budget for the separate CFS units, and its large footprint requires a dedicated space. If you're scaling up your projects, whether for personal ambition or professional work, and you want fewer variables to babysit and more time creating, the K2 Plus is the clear and undisputed winner. So let's do a quick recap to help you decide who should buy which. The K1 SE is your on-ramp to speed, the best value for fast, high-quality prints. The K2 Pro Combo A is for the automation enthusiast who needs seamless integrated multicolor printing. The K1C is the reliable workhorse for the engineer or maker focused on strong, carbon fiber-capable parts. And finally, the K2 Plus is for the creator who needs it all: massive volume, quiet operation, and top-tier automation. The key is to choose based on your primary need, whether it's raw speed, hands-off color automation, advanced material capability, or sheer build volume. Make the right choice, and you'll level up your workshop and your creative potential overnight. Remember, all prices are subject to change, so hit the links in the description for the most current deals and availability. If this guide helped you make a decision, give this video a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest maker tech. Let us know in the comments which printer you'd pick for your workshop. Happy printing!